Wow, this is so comfortable. Is there anything better than a good night's sleep? If you are in the market for a new mattress, Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom has their summer clearance sale happening now. I gotta get up so we can tell you all about it. So comfortable, I don't wanna move. Joining me now is Adam Brown. Thanks so much for having us here, as always.
Thanks for coming.
So we're talking mattresses first, because you have a huge purple mattresses sale. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so we've actually got an incredible one-time opportunity on these purple mattresses. We partnered with them. We basically had an overstock issue, so we bought a ton of these beds, and we have unbeatable prices on these.
So their overstock issue is our big sale opportunity.
Exactly.
I love that.
All right, so right now, come in, mention summer. First offer that we've got is the Purple Renew mattress.
Okay.
This one normally goes for $18.99. Mention summer, and we're gonna get this to you for $5.99. That's legitimately 70% off this bed.
Wow, that is incredible savings. What about these over here?
Moving on, we've got a upgraded purple mattress here. So we've got the Purple Restore. This one normally goes for $23.99. Once again, come in, mention summer. We're gonna get this to you for $12.99. That's 46% off this bed right here.
Wow, and these beds are so popular because they're so good. And you've got the premium one right here.
Yep, so right here we have the Restore Plus. This one's got a 3-inch grid. This one normally sells for $3,000. Come in, mention summer. We're gonna get it to you for $14.99.
Those are amazing prices. I mean, this is really the time to come in and check out one of these purple mattresses. In addition to purple mattresses, you have other mattress brands too.
Oh, of course, yeah. We carry the most new and innovative brands and mattresses. We've got obviously Purple, Nectar, Dream Cloud. We've also got the classics like Tempur-Pedic, Stearns & Foster's. We just started carrying Beauty Rest Black as well. So come in, work with one of our sleep experts. They're gonna get you the perfect bed and make sure you have a great night's sleep.
Great night's sleep at a great price. That's
Absolutely.
what we love about Mattress Kingdom for sure. So let's talk about appliances.
Yeah.
Because you've got some good deals, and how are you guys able to help people save so much money on appliances?
Well, we got a couple different ways. So the first way, we actually partner with all the major manufacturers. Anytime they have a supply chain issue, kind of like Purple had here, we buy thousands of products, brand new in a box, full warranty, but we get a big discount on them because we're helping the manufacturer out with a supply chain issue. They got to get rid of it. We get a good deal. We can pass that savings along to our customers.
That's fantastic.
So one of the examples here is our GE Hot Point set. So this one right now at the big box stores, you're going to pay about $1,000 for this set. Come in, mention summer, and we're going to get these to you for $3.99 each.
Wow, look at that.
Okay, so this is another example of how we can save our customers money. So in addition to the special buys that we get, we also buy uncrated merchandise. So basically anytime a box is damaged or gets shipped to the home, the big box stores will send it back to the manufacturers because they don't want to deal with a problem with a damaged product in the customer's home. We look them over, make sure they're in brand new condition, still have full warranty, but we get a big discount on these, and then once again, pass the savings along to our customers. This particular LG fridge right now, this one we have for an unbeatable price. We just dropped it $7.99 for a stainless steel French door refrigerator.
Wow.
As you can see, even though it's out of the box, still comes factory sealed.
Pristine.
Still has full warranty. We're also really proud of our customer service too. So we're almost 5-star Google rated. We've got an A+ rating with the BBB. So you come in, shop with us, you know you're gonna be taken care of, and you'll get to work with an expert from the time you get your appliances and mattresses and even after they get into your house.
That's fantastic. Unbeatable savings and unbeatable customer service. Thank you so much, Adam, for having us here today.
Thank you.
Always a pleasure to talk to you. Make sure you take advantage of their summer clearance sale. Use that code SUMMER to get these really great prices that can't be beat. You can visit their website. It's appliancefactory.com.